Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Unwana Udoh. Every week I share great content on strategies you can apply to improve your personal finance. Before we continue, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so YouTube will notify you of new videos. Make sure to watch till the end. I will share another video on why you need financial literacy. You will love this. Emergency funds are considered a necessity as far as financial security is concerned. An emergency fund comes to play when unexpected life events happen, such as a huge medical bill, unexpected home or car repair. If you do not have an emergency fund, you may resort to using your credit card and end up paying a lot of interest. By saving an extra $30 to $50 every month in an emergency savings account, you will be better prepared for any emergencies. It is recommended that you treat your emergency fund as an additional bill you must pay every month. The goal is to develop a habit of savings. Your emergency savings should be at least 3 months of your living expenses. What's important is that you should steadily put a fixed amount of money aside, and only use it for real emergencies. Taking a vacation is not an emergency, and buying a new flat-screen TV is not an emergency. Unlike an investment, the success of your long-term savings fund does not depend on the interests you earn, but rather on consistently putting money away. No matter your financial status, the first step in the process of building an emergency fund is figuring out how you are currently spending your money. When you determine where your money is spent, it becomes easy for you to make a decision on where to trim down expenses. Basically, you have to create a budget. Budgeting is setting aside money for anticipated and unanticipated future use. It is here that one sets up a goal so as to save. So set an emergency fund as your goal. Checking, savings, money market accounts, and certificates of deposits are great places to save up your emergency funds. However, be careful placing all your emergency funds in a certificate of deposit. Certificates of deposit require that you leave the money in there for a specified time period, or you will be subject to penalties and fees for early withdrawals. The amount saved from budgeting can either go to your savings goal, emergency fund, or both. A great alternative is to allocate half of your savings into your savings account and half into your emergency fund. Budgeting your monthly expenses in order to get the greatest return on your income doesn't have to be difficult. Various budgeting programs are available for use. Money management software allows you to enter your cash inflows and outflows, categorizes your expenditures, and at times, presents an analysis of your spending behavior. Through these programs, you can also input various payments you make monthly, and subsequently track your bills. An example would be your regular grocery. Before making the trip, plan out your entire week's menu. Then, make a list of other household items that you've run out of or are eventually going to run out of before your next trip to the grocery. Armed with your lists, you can go to the grocery and know exactly where to go and what you're going to buy. Without these lists, you will walk aimlessly through the aisles, and will likely pick up various food items that you don't need, or already have at home. A filing system is perhaps one of the best budgeting tools you can have in your home. With simple, labeled file folders, you can put together your bills, your receipts, and whatever bank documents you may have. By putting together your bills, your credit card receipts, you are able to keep track of how much you owe and when your payments are due. Effective budgeting tools are those that best address your needs as a consumer. Create your own budgeting tool or find a program to do it for you. Make sure you find a program that works for you. If you feel you found value in this video, please share it with your friends and family. It really means a lot to me. Thank you for watching this video and subscribing. Let's grow this channel together. The next video on the screen now contains information on why you need financial literacy. Click and watch that video now, and I will see you there.